This is going to be a video tutorial on how to temporarily deactivate your Monster account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To temporarily deactivate your account, you want to go up to the top up here, up to these icons, and you want to click on the one that looks like a little profile picture. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Profile. Click on that. Then on the page that opens up, these tabs across the top up here, Home, Dashboard, My Profile, you want to click on the one that says Settings. And then on the next group of tabs, you want to click on Privacy and Communications. Then you'll scroll down a bit, and you want to set your resume to private, not visible to employers. Your profile resume information is not visible. You want to toggle on this bottom one here. And then you'll go down further and you'll toggle off every one of these. Monster email communications, just go through here and disable every one of these toggles. That is how you temporarily deactivate your Monster account. Thanks for watching.